Have you ever tried yoga in a cave? There's something magical about practicing yoga in nature. The cool air, the earthy scent, the echo of your breath. It's just an experience like no other. Here, away from all the hustle and bustle of daily life, you can connect deeply with your breath, your body, and the world around you. The natural acoustics of the cave amplify your breath, making each inhale and exhale feel more intentional and more grounded. Whether you're a seasoned yogi or just beginning, practicing in a cave, if you have one near you, adds a layer of tranquility and mindfulness that's hard to find anywhere else. Find your balance wherever you are, and always remember to explore, breathe, and connect.